Killing ants may seem like a simple task, but it requires a careful and strategic approach to ensure effective eradication without causing harm to the environment or unintended consequences. Ants are social insects with highly organized colonies, making them resilient and persistent in finding food sources and establishing nests. To successfully eliminate an ant infestation, it's important to understand their behavior, life cycle, and the various methods available to control them. Additionally, it's crucial to consider the balance between eradicating ants and minimizing harm to the ecosystem, as ants do play beneficial roles in the environment. The first step in tackling an ant problem is identifying the type of ants you are dealing with. There are thousands of ant species, but only a few commonly invade homes. For example, pavement ants, carpenter ants, and odorous house ants are some of the most common in domestic settings. Each species has distinct nesting habits and food preferences, which means that the approach to eliminating them can vary. Carpenter ants, for instance, prefer wood and may cause structural damage to homes, while odorous house ants are attracted to sweet substances and are more likely to be found in kitchens or pantries. Proper identification allows you to choose the most effective treatment and avoid unnecessary measures. Once you've identified the type of ants, the next step is locating the nest. Ants travel long distances in search of food, and killing individual ants won't solve the problem if the nest remains intact. Ants lay down pheromone trails that guide other ants to food sources, so following the trail of worker ants back to their nest is essential. Nests may be found inside or outside the home, depending on the species. Indoor nests are often hidden in walls, behind appliances, or in other hard-to-reach places. Outdoor nests can be found in soil, under rocks, or in piles of wood. Destroying the nest is key to ensuring that the colony is completely eradicated, as killing the workers alone won't stop the queen from producing more ants. There are various methods for killing ants, ranging from natural remedies to chemical treatments. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of method depends on factors such as the severity of the infestation, the location of the nest, and any concerns about the safety of pets, children, or the environment. One of the most effective ways to kill ants is by using bait. Ant baits work by attracting worker ants, which then carry the poison back to the nest, where it is shared with the rest of the colony, including the queen. This method can take several days or even weeks to fully eliminate the colony, but it is often more effective than spraying individual ants, as it targets the entire nest. Baits are available in various forms, including gels, granules, and liquid stations. It's important to place the bait in areas where ants are actively foraging, but out of reach of pets and children. Another method for killing ants is by using insecticidal sprays or dust. These products kill ants on contact and can provide immediate relief from an infestation. However, sprays and dusts are often only effective on the surface level and may not reach the nest, meaning that the colony can quickly rebound. Sprays can be useful for treating visible ant trails or nests that are easily accessible, such as outdoor mounds. Insecticidal dust, which can be applied to cracks and crevices, is another option for hard-to-reach areas. However, overusing chemical sprays can lead to resistance in some ant species, making them less effective over time. Additionally, chemical insecticides can pose risks to human health, especially if used in areas where food is prepared or eaten. It's important to read labels carefully and follow safety instructions when using any chemical products. For those who prefer natural or non-toxic methods, there are several home remedies that can help deter or kill ants. One popular option is diatomaceous earth, a fine powder made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms. Diatomaceous earth works by damaging the exoskeletons of ants, causing them to dehydrate and die. It can be applied to areas where ants are entering the home, such as doorways, windowsills, and cracks in walls. While diatomaceous earth is non-toxic to humans and pets, it can be harmful if inhaled in large quantities, so it's important to use it carefully. Another natural remedy is the use of essential oils, such as peppermint, tea tree, or citrus oils. These oils have strong scents that ants find repellent, and they can be used to create a barrier around entry points or sprayed directly onto ant trails. However, essential oils may not kill ants outright, and their effectiveness can vary depending on the species of ant. Boiling water is another simple and effective way to kill ants, especially when dealing with outdoor nests. Pouring boiling water directly into the nest can destroy the colony and kill the queen. However, this method may require multiple applications to fully eliminate the nest, and it can also damage plants or grass in the surrounding area. In some cases, combining boiling water with other substances, such as soap or vinegar, can increase the effectiveness of the treatment. Soap works by breaking down the ants' protective wax coating, causing them to dehydrate, while vinegar disrupts their ability to follow pheromone trails. When deciding how to kill ants, it's also worth considering the ecological role that ants play. While ants can be a nuisance indoors, they are beneficial to the environment in many ways. Ants help aerate the soil, control pest populations, and contribute to the decomposition of organic matter. Some species of ants are even involved in seed dispersal, helping plants to propagate. In this sense, indiscriminately killing ants, especially outdoors, can disrupt local ecosystems. It's important to strike a balance between managing ants in your home and allowing them to perform their natural functions in the environment. In some cases, simply relocating a nest or using deterrents to keep ants out of specific areas may be a more sustainable solution than extermination. Killing ants requires a multifaceted approach that combines identification, elimination, and prevention. Whether using chemical treatments, natural remedies, or a combination of both, it's important to target the entire colony, including the queen, to ensure complete eradication. Additionally, taking steps to maintain a clean and dry home, sealing entry points, and addressing moisture issues can help prevent future infestations. While ants can be a nuisance, it's also important to recognize their ecological value and avoid unnecessary harm to the environment. By using a strategic and informed approach, it's possible to effectively manage ant infestations without causing unintended damage to your home or the ecosystem. I hope so you will like the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.